You could use the new large central touchscreen display at any time to access the menus within the system. Or, alternatively, you can use the built-in gesture control or advanced voice control to help keep your hands on the wheel or your eyes on the road ahead. Hey Mazda,
What would you like to do?
set the cabin temperature to 21 degrees.
Adjust it.
At any time, you can swipe down from the top to open the local apps menu, where you can find useful functionality such as phone, radio, and navigation. Additionally, you can click the Vehicle Settings tab, which allows quick access to other functions, such as opening and closing the sunshade on the Takumi Plus trim, or opening and closing the power liftgate. The nice thing about this new Mazda user interface is the menu bar that sits across the bottom of the screen. No matter where you navigate within the system, that menu bar will always remain in place. It's fully customizable, meaning that any icons that you put there will always be where you expect them. There are some key functions, such as heating and ventilation control, which will always remain in the same place. To customize this menu bar, it's as simple as swiping down from the top and hitting the Edit button in the top right-hand corner. The icons that can be customized start to shake, a bit like a smartphone. To replace these, you press the X icon next to the item you want to change, navigate to find the button you want, and drag it into position. Changing it back is just as simple. Hit the X, drag a new icon in place, and hit End. Now this is great for seasonal functionality, such as 6 months of the year when you'd like ventilated seats, and 6 months of the year when you might like heated seats. To go back to the home screen, simply swipe up from the bottom, or press the home icon. Before we move on, how you can see the menu bar across the bottom of the screen is how we would recommend this is set up. Things like mirror folding, mirror adjustment, and where you'd like your air to come from are things that we feel customers may look to use the most. Swiping from right to left will open up the control center, where it gives you quick access to things like turning on and off your headlights, adjusting wiper speed, and other icons that you can see available. Editing these is just as straightforward. Pressing the note icon in the top right hand corner, you can see a number of minus symbols and a number of plus symbols. Simply remove the ones you don't use that frequently and add the ones you might. When you're finished, hit save. Finally, on this screen, you can adjust the screen brightness or turn off the screen completely. To return to the home screen, tap anywhere on the screen, or again, press the home button.